Hey, what's up my brothers, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, day 32 of a semen retention journey. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel if you have, to support me through this journey. I really appreciate your kind words in the comments and stuff like that. Thank you so much, bro. And if you haven't subscribed and you want to be a part of it, you're more than welcome, bro. Anyway, let's get into today's video. So in my other video I was talking a little bit about this towards the end, but I'm going to talk about it now in a separate video. And yesterday I got into a bit of an argument. Not an argument, it wasn't so much an argument, but it was a discussion. And it was about how pictures that are not explicit, are harmless, okay? So I realized that I had some growing up to do. I realized that I was really low in my sexual discipline. And that's why I'm on this journey, bro. And I didn't like people hating on me because I was weak. Because I've accepted that I'm weak. I've accepted that God said in his book, he created humans weak. So I'm going to accept it. Now this is my idea on it, bro. If you're going to scroll through Instagram all day, if you're going to be okay with seeing women dressed in a sexual manner, then that's your choice. I'm not going to stop you from doing that, of course. That's your choice. But remember something, bro. Every single picture you see intentionally, for example, if you're scrolling through Instagram and a pic comes up, okay, that's not your fault. But if the pic comes up and you stare at it, if the pic comes up and you want to see more, that's your choice. All I'm saying is the devil will use it to his advantage. Every single picture you see, that's the devil's ammunition. Semen retention for me is really trying to get away from seeing anything sexual if I can help it. For example, bro, this YouTuber who I really like, okay, he put up a picture with two women. Okay, I'm not hating on him, bro. I'm not hating on any of the YouTuber, pointing the finger at any of the YouTuber. In fact, I'll be making a video about that as well. But he had two pictures of women. Now look, for someone like me, who hasn't intentionally seen anything for 32 days, and then this YouTuber puts this post up. He took it down, but he put this post up. Now I'm intentionally seeing it because I want to see what this guy posts. And it was two women, hoes, that's how they were dressing, okay? They were dressing like hoes, okay? That might not trigger you. That might not cause you to go and want to relapse. But dude, people in the comments were like saying, you know, this is enough to make me relapse. You know, this is why I need a girl, blah, blah, blah. You know, when I went and asked them, they said they were joking. But bro, look, I'm not here to hate on you. But remember that the devil works in steps. He'll make you see one picture. Then that one light picture that's not very explicit will lead to another one. Then that one will lead to another one. The devil works in steps. He's very manipulative. He's very patient. He will work in steps. He won't get you straight to porn. And one guy said, you know, you see more explicit pictures like that on Instagram. Homie, bro, you should not be on Instagram looking at explicit images anyway. What are you on about, man? I haven't been on Instagram these 32 days, neither should you. You should not be looking at pictures, bro. Not only is it going to not help you, but it's going to lead to you being tempted to go on relapse, regardless of how... Look, I'm not saying that a picture of a woman's going to make you relapse. I'm talking about when they're dressed inappropriately, when they're dressed sexually, bro. Simple as that. You think I'm going to relapse if I see a woman walking, just a woman walking, it's going to cause me... No, bro. It's when they're dressed sexually. And I'm sorry, man, but in that picture, the women were dressed sexually, and that's enough for men to get triggered and go on relapse. I'm not on Instagram. You shouldn't be on Instagram, bro. You should not be looking at images saying, you know, that's not going to make me relapse. But then a couple of weeks later you relapse because that picture will come back into your mind. It sticks in your mind. It doesn't leave you. It will stay there for a while, and the devil can use that against you. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know where I'm coming from? Like, I'm not saying that guys who cannot control themselves aren't weak. Because they are, but then every man is weak. That's why there's such a thing as semen retention. If every man was strong, why would semen retention exist? So this video's title is going to be confusing because I'm talking about two things. But my message that I really want to get across is don't think that you're so strong. You're not as strong as you think. Yes, create sexual discipline. Yes, of course, create sexual discipline. But why intentionally look at women sexually, bro? Why? Why look at women dressed sexually? Why? It's not going to help you, bro. That's just my topic today, guys. It's not going to help you. The devil will use that one thing, and he'll get you in steps. I don't know, bro. This is just something I want to share with you guys. You know, I have peace with that YouTuber. I have peace with I'm not in conflict with anyone. But just think about that, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe if you have. Thank you so much. And if you haven't, consider it, bro. Thank you so much again for watching my videos. Take care. Look after yourself. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.